Epson LS12000. I just got this today and excited to share with you guys my Christmas gift to myself. Okay. So let's take a look at what's inside. What's with the unit? I really don't know what this is. Okay, so here we have the power cords. There are two power cords actually included. Batteries are actually included. And here's the remote. You just open this up. So here's the remote included with the Epson LS12000. Right. So batteries are included as well. Couple of batteries. Okay, and of course here's the behemoth of projector. I saw one video online where the ceiling mount was actually included, but it seems to me that my unit does not have the ceiling mount included. So here's the user manual. Okay. Right, and of course the unit itself. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, so unfortunately, there's no ceiling mount included. So let's take a look at this one. Alright. So this is Epson 3 LCD 4K laser light projector. So this weighs around, I think 30 pounds. That's what's on the specs. So let's take a look at the back. So at the back here, okay, so you have here several inputs, like a USB-A input. There's a trigger out, a LAN port. Not sure what this one is. And then there's an HDMI 1, HDMI 2 eARC. These are HDMI 2.1 ports and an RS-232 port here. Okay, so here you have underneath you have the power for the power cable, cable output. Okay, and let's take a look at the front. So here you have the lights for the LED indicators for status, laser. I'm not sure what temp means. I guess temperature. And then of course you have the front of the unit, right? And let's try to see what's underneath. Not so much, nothing much there. Okay, of course you have the ceiling mounts, right? Which I still have to buy. All right, so I guess that's about it for this short unboxing. And I'm so eager to test this out. And we're going to test this out today and show you some samples later on. So if you're interested to see how this looks like, of course, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Alright? Peace. Bye-bye.